Is this the box we need in 2026? Portable Bluetooth speakers are everywhere in 2026. Everyone wants loud sound, strong bass, long battery life, and a speaker that can survive outdoor use. The Tribit Stormbox Lava is getting a lot of attention lately, but the real question is simple. Is this actually the speaker we need, or just another overhyped box? At first glance, the Stormbox Lava feels solid and well-built. The cylindrical design, reinforced mesh, and rugged finish make it clear that this speaker is designed for movement. This is not a delicate desk speaker. It's made for trips, outdoor hangouts, poolside use, and casual parties where durability matters. Sound quality is where the Stormbox Lava really tries to stand out. It uses dual drivers and passive radiators to boost low-end performance. The result is a bass-forward sound that feels powerful for a portable speaker. Music sounds full and energetic, especially genres like hip-hop, pop, and electronic. The bass hits without completely overpowering vocals, and mids remain clear at normal volume levels. At higher volumes, the speaker holds up better than many competitors in the same size range. While it won't replace a home audio system, it delivers enough loudness and clarity for outdoor gatherings without obvious distortion. For its size, the sound performance is impressive. Battery life is another strong point. Tribit claims up to 30 hours of playback, and in real use it comes close when played at moderate volume. This makes the Stormbox Lava a great option for long days out, weekend trips, or situations where charging isn't always available. The speaker also includes built-in LED lighting that reacts to the music. It's not essential, but it adds a fun visual element, especially in party settings. You can turn it off if you prefer a cleaner look, which is a nice touch. Water resistance adds another layer of confidence. You don't have to panic if it gets splashed near a pool or caught in light rain. This makes it a practical choice for outdoor use, where accidents happen. Connectivity is simple and reliable. Bluetooth pairing is quick, stable, and easy to switch between devices. There's no complicated app system or smart features, and for many users, that's actually a benefit. You turn it on, connect, and play. No learning curve. That said, the Stormbox Lava does have limits. The bass, while strong for its size, still can't match larger speakers with dedicated subwoofers. And the lighting effects are basic, without deep customization options. So, is the Tribit Stormbox Lava the box we need in 2026? If you're looking for a durable, portable Bluetooth speaker with powerful sound, long battery life, and outdoor-friendly design, the answer is yes. It delivers strong performance without unnecessary complexity and offers solid value for everyday use. If you need studio-level audio or smart home integration, this isn't designed for that. But for most people who want reliable sound on the go, the Stormbox Lava checks the right boxes. If this review helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments what you value most in a portable speaker. See you in the next one.